So here is your first assignment for the digital book project, and that's basically indicating that that you have selected a topic and that you understand a couple of rules that are going to be applied to this digital book project. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the topic choice chart and decide what topic you want to research throughout the next several weeks because you're not going to change it once you start it. You're going to have to stick with it, okay? So as a reminder, it's British imperialism, race, early 20th century class struggles, industrialization, poverty and child labor, mental health, opioids, and women's issues. Now, when you're selecting the topic, make sure that you're not only looking at what the topic is and what it interests you, but make sure you look at the research focus questions and then think about how you'd want to connect it to the modern world around you. And then the short stories you'd have to pick and read from. So you want to make sure that all of these things would be of interest to you before you select your topic. Once you do that, you're going to just answer the questions on the chart. So look at this chart, topic choices, which of the 7 big topics are you selecting? So then you would indicate that here. Why this topic? Why does it interest you? So don't just say because it is. Give me a full explanation. Explain what you already know about this time period, this topic and the related time period, explain what you're hoping to learn or discover as you research, and then you're going to have a couple of yes or no questions here. So, do you understand that you may not use Wikipedia as an official source, that it cannot be cited in your paper or listed as a reference? So the answer would be yes, you understand because you are not allowed to use Wikipedia as a source. But with that thought, do you understand that you may use Wikipedia as a starting point? So all the Wikipedia sources have a works cited at the end of it. You can use those sources as a starting point and go off to those sources and find information, but you may not use Wikipedia itself as a source. Finally, do you understand that general references such as encyclopedias or dictionaries are not acceptable sources for this project? Don't use them. They're boring. They don't give you very specific information. So do not use encyclopedia.com or dictionary.com as a source. You understand that it's your responsibility to check your web sources to determine if they are credible or reliable. That is up to you. Make sure that happens. Make sure you're looking at the classroom pages in order to determine how a source is credible. And then, do you know how to check the web source's credibility? Do you know what to look for? Here are the sources I just mentioned. They're also in the classroom. Do you know that there is a video in the course content that shows you how to use the online InfoOhio database to find good source articles? It is in there. Watch that video. It is very helpful. And I highly encourage you to use InfoOhio for your research. Once you're done with that, you're going to start researching. Your first task is to find information that will help you write the first section of your formal traditional essay. You're going to be required to find at least 5 sources and to cite at least 3 of those in the formal paper. So you want to make sure that you're finding information that will really help you as you are developing this project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.